As the clamour grows for Union Textiles Minister Dayanidhi Maran to fully explain his role in the Maxis Sun DTH deal, the BJP has found fresh ammunition against the UPA. Now, Prema is joining us live for more details. Prema, clearly, clamour growing for him to come out and explain, but that hasn't happened yet.
Well, exactly. BJP has also been raising objection right now, making most of the current scenario. In fact, the BJP top cadre saying that Dayanidhi Maran should come out in the open and explain to the public his exact role in the 2G spectrum scam. It's not only the BJP, even within Tamil Nadu, AIADMK chief and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha also saying that Dayanidhi Maran should come out in the open and explain his role in the 2G spectrum scam, whether there was any quid pro quo in this entire Aircel Maxis deal, and that law should take its own course. But right now, at the moment, the government as well as the Congress party remaining extremely cautious and tight-lipped. They have not spelled out their strategy, but the DMK is also, in similar lines, the DMK is also remaining tight-lipped at least until tomorrow. Because tomorrow, we are given to understand, is the DMK chief, Mr. Karunanidhi's birthday, his 87th birthday. So the DMK will probably come up with a statement. The party's official stand day after tomorrow, that's after Karunanidhi's birthday. But pressure, as you said, is completely mounting on Dayanidhi Maran, especially after the CBI now probing if there was any quid pro quo in this entire deal, as well as the JPC also very likely to summon Dayanidhi Maran within a month on the Aircel's licensing pattern on the Maxis deal. So Dayanidhi Maran is completely cornered and pressure is completely on him at the moment. Back
Stay
to
with us, Prema. In fact, let's listen into the BJP's reaction that came in earlier.
Has categorically stated that there is an evidence of kickback which has been taken by the ownership company of Mr. Dayanidhi Maran, and we have demanded the resignation of Mr. Maran. And having said that, the CBI is investigating the case, and the criminal action needs to be investigated, and possibly the actions which were there earlier, and we saw the leaders of the DMK going behind bars, and even Raja, union minister, going behind bar, possibly the same consequence would follow, because apparently the tracks and the trails are there that the kickback has been taken, though in a different mode.